Plunging up and down creates alternating push and pull pressure cycles that clear stubborn clogs more effectively than pushing down alone. When you plunge, start by sealing the flange around the drain with a firm, even lip of the plunger to prevent air escape. Use slow, controlled pushes and then pull up sharply to create a negative pressure that draws the blockage back toward the drain entrance. Avoid only pushing down because that compresses air and moves the clog but does not break its hold. Maintain steady rhythm of 3 to 5 full strokes before checking for drainage, and reposition slightly if you lose the seal to keep pressure consistent. For kitchen sinks with 2 basins, block the secondary drain with a wet cloth so the pressure cycles go where you want them to go. If water level is too low, add enough warm water to cover the plunger cup by 1 to 2 inches so you generate water pressure rather than compressible air. When dealing with partial clogs, alternate longer pulls with shorter pushes to gradually work debris free without forcing damage to pipes. The most common mistake is failing to get a good seal around the drain, which lets air escape and kills pressure. Fix that by molding a damp rag around the flange and angling the plunger to match the pipe. Another issue is using only downward strokes, which moves water but does not create the suction needed to dislodge compacted material. Switch to distinct upward pulls after each push to create push and pull cycles. A third problem is using rapid, shallow motion that splashes and wastes force. Slow the tempo, use deeper strokes that move a larger column of water, and check between sets so you do not overwork the plunger or damage fittings. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide a discussion community where people share real experiences and tips about repairs like unclogging drains. We help contractors find work by giving them visibility to homeowners who need services, while our community lets everyone learn from practical, hands-on advice.